Station 4, Mid-Block Pullout. Teach your kids to stop, put a foot down, and look all ways before entering the road. Learning that drivers do not always look for kids on bicycles at every driveway or sidewalk will help your kids understand the importance of this severe crash type.
Teach your kids to wait at the edge of the street when ready to cross, not far back on the sidewalk, which can be confusing. Kids often feel safe when they can't be seen between parked cars or behind bushes away from the road entrance. Know that younger kids often follow far behind older kids onto the street. They can also put up their hand to indicate their intention, saying, "I want to cross the street." Each lane, from both directions, must be treated as a new road. Drivers, slow down. Expect kids to be everywhere.